Alma Duo. This is our pelvic anti-aging machine. It is a machine that we use for both men and women. This machine, the pelvic anti-aging for men, what does it do? We basically, like if you start appropriately on time for yourself, what it does is that it is going to allow you to have enough pelvic blood flow where you're not going to experience a loss of functionality. So men sometimes tell me that they do not need Cialis anymore, or like if you're somebody who's starting to think that to enhance your function you need like a pill, then just try this instead, because this is going to allow you not to become completely dependent upon a pill before you can actually have a good time. So this is something that we tell you to do like once a year or once every 2 years. This is like kind of a Rolls Royce, all the pelvic anti-aging machines. All right, at what age is the best for men to start using Alma? Whenever you start losing functionality. So if you feel that you need Cialis, for instance, or you need you're having problems satisfying your spouse, and you think that it is only functionality problems, then this is something that you should definitely try out.